For our next video, we're going to be focusing on question 4. Question 4 has 3 to the power 2 times 2 all raised to the power 3. This question tests the laws of exponents. As you might be familiar, there's a few laws that could be applied here. The first one is the fact that if you have two numbers inside a bracket and they're raised to a certain power, and these two numbers should have a specific power, okay? The power outside the bracket would get distributed to both those numbers. So this 3 outside would get distributed to both those numbers. Now, when it's distributed, the situation we have is something like this: a squared raised to the power of 3 times b1 raised to the power of 3. And if you remember correctly, when you have a power raised to another power, you multiply the exponents. So now that's what we're going to work on over here. We're first going to distribute the 3, and that'll give us 3 squared to the power 3 times 2 with an invisible 1 over here, 2 to the power 1 raised to the power 3. The next step is to multiply those exponents, and that'll give you 3 to the power 2 times 3, which is 6, times 2 to the power 1 times 3, which is 3. And we can simplify this up until that point. They say without a calculator, or they would expect us to do it without a calculator, and this is the answer. So you have no need to put this on the calculator to get a specific number. This is satisfactory.